Oh no, my car broke. Hey kiddo, go and come here. Go and come here. The car's broke. We gotta use our legs as the car, okay?
I broke the car.
Oh, I think we're lost. Yeah, we are though.
Yeah, we are.
Let's sleep here. Mama, 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 mama. Okay, now we're gonna run as fast as we can to home again. And super fast. Not gonna lie. Actually, it's kind of slow, but still.
Oh my god, ten exercise resulta por aí, tá?